Hi, my name is Christina Kay, and I'm the VP of Marketing at Reseller Ratings. We are located in Cleveland, Ohio.
Hi, I'm Bradley Poole, Chief Revenue Officer at Reseller Ratings. Really, we started over 10 years ago as an online forum for shoppers to really find out where to buy online. We power and integrate that customer voice and feedback deep within the retail brand's business to really help them grow, convert, and create loyal repeat customers.
While we were evaluating different CRM platforms for us, the challenges we had with Salesforce was really around revenue reporting, forecasting, product lines, and the ease of the platform.
Reseller Ratings used HubSpot in the past, but more on the marketing side. But then as Christina started to share more about being able to have this all-in-one solution, and that's really what started those conversations. Probably took her a few months, getting me away from 15 years of using Salesforce, but it was exciting, and I wanted to learn more about what HubSpot could do for Reseller Ratings.
Since switching to HubSpot, we increased traffic 25% to our landing pages, and our conversion rate went up 5%. So one thing that HubSpot has really helped Reseller Ratings with is our team has just worked better together because they can see everything in one contact record or company records. You can see that activity, you can see those calls. Just helps our employees be more confident when they're approaching customers, whether that be a net new or prospect, as well as existing customers for those renewal conversations. And from there, it just helps our customers really be delighted. One thing I love about HubSpot is how easy it is to integrate with so many different other softwares. One of my favorite integrations that we've been working with that we can write workflows with is PandaDoc and ChargeBee. Now, once everything's signed, HubSpot just kicks it off and it talks to ChargeBee, and then right within their contact record and company record, you see that PandaDoc document attached right there. So it has that full view. With HubSpot and Reseller Ratings, really anything is possible.
HubSpot's moving as fast as Reseller Ratings is moving, and that's what makes me so excited, because there's going to be new challenges as we scale and grow at Reseller Ratings. And to know that we have a partner that's thinking the same way, that gives me all the confidence in the world that no matter what route we decide to go at Reseller Ratings, we'll have a partner in HubSpot to be right there with us every step of the way.